Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap Apple Intelligence. Toggle the feature on and confirm with Face ID or your passcode. Choose data preferences for Siri, writing, and photo analysis in the same menu. Opt into on-device processing to keep sensitive data local to your device. Enable iCloud Private Relay only if you need broader sync across devices. Remember that using Apple Intelligence may require a software update and restart. Open the Intelligence settings and select Writing, Assistant, or Vision to customize. For writing, choose tone, vocabulary level, and allow suggested edits inline. Assistant lets you pin apps, set home shortcuts, and limit background activity. Vision controls photo summaries, object recognition, and visual lookup permissions per album. Set storage limits and choose on-device or iCloud models to balance space and speed. Save each section to apply changes immediately, and test features in Messages or Notes. Only Way is a guided workflow to train Apple Intelligence on your routines. Start by creating a labeled collection of messages, documents, and photos for context. Set goals like drafting emails, summarizing meetings, or automating replies with templates. Run the training for 1 week and review performance metrics every 3 days. Adjust examples, revoke data access, or reset the Only Way model at any time. Finish by enabling live suggestions and watch Apple Intelligence propose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.